Well, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. Happy New Year to everyone. So this is just a quick video. One of someone put in the comments to do a video on Oust. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. OUST. So I'm just gonna keep it quick and I'm gonna give you my thoughts on Oust by the end of this video. So stick around. So as you know, I always work with the indicators. So if you take a look at Oust, as you can see, it's on a downward trend. Would this be something that I would be interested in going into? Similar to Mullen, Mullen is also on a downward trend, but there's a little bit of difference here. So as you can see, Oust is coming from $17 and it's now down to 86 cents. There was volume all the way through, but it appears that the volume that we may be seeing here is a bit of buying and selling volume, but ultimately the bears won out, so there's more selling than buying all the way through. If you compare it to Mullen, as you can see, the volume is basically now coming in. For me, if I'm going to be looking at a stock that is gonna give me some returns, I want to see where the interest is coming in terms of volume. So volume seems to be reducing here all the way through, and the stock is on a downward trend. If you look at Yahoo Finance, it shows that Oust has a market cap of 159 million. The average volume, a little bit of volume came in recently above the average. If you take a look at similar stocks to Oust, all of those stocks basically kind of went up. I'm not sure what the position they're in, if they came way down and now are pushing back up a bit. But if I look at the earnings, it shows that the earnings is basically going downwards. They have two misses, one beat, earnings beat, but the trend for earnings, although this is negative earnings, look like it's getting worse here. In terms of, I usually don't look at financials, but for this stock, I'll take a peek here. In terms of the financials, revenue trending upward a little bit, but if you look at net earnings, it's trending downwards. That's earnings is the difference between your revenue and expenses. It's trending downwards. So if I look at what's going on with the calls, as you can see here, no one is really interested in Oust in terms of the call volume. 22 not even 22,000, but 22 puts. No one's interested in terms of shorting Oust. If you look at open interest, we have 6,000, 2,000, 1,000. Yeah, so for now, I think, as I said, I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. I think, based on the fact that the stock is trending downwards, the volume has basically died down, and there are no interest in terms of anyone, putting calls on it. This is not something that I would look at getting into. I think it's more on a downward trend more than anything, because what the stock is doing is pushing up, coming back down. It's like a waterfall, breaks this the support, comes down, pushes back up, and it's coming down again. So I don't know if this could be like a long-term thing for anyone out there, but this is something that I would not touch. Alright, so as I said, keeping this one short, just as a favor for the person that said that they wanted me to look at this stock. So just a quick video on that. Okay, so take care, guys.